Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your own pre-workout supplement, only ways. Measure 200 mg caffeine, 3 grams beta-alanine, 2 grams citrulline malate, and 1 gram creatine monohydrate into a clean bowl. Mix thoroughly, test a 1-scoop serving, adjust sweetness with stevia or sucralose, and label with serving size. Store in a dry, airtight container away from heat and sunlight for consistent potency daily. Start by choosing high-quality ingredients and weighing each precisely on a digital scale to ensure consistent dosing. Use pharmaceutical-grade caffeine, citrulline malate for pump, beta-alanine for endurance, and creatine monohydrate for strength. Avoid proprietary blends and measure stimulants carefully to prevent excessive intake. Keep a notebook of batches, doses, and effects every week and adjustments so you can fine-tune your formula over time, safely and confidently. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Also check out the product I mentioned, the Kindle Paperwhite, for easy reading while planning recipes and tracking notes. It's a handy companion to keep recipes and research on the go. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Enjoy. Always start with conservative doses and perform a personal tolerance test with 1/4 of the intended serving to assess sensitivity. Wait at least 24 hours between tests when changing stimulant amounts. Note heart rate, jitteriness, and focus, and never mix with other stimulant products. Consult a healthcare professional if you have medical conditions or take medications, and stop immediately if you experience adverse reactions. Keep doses labeled in milligrams for clarity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.